Hey friends, if Google Chrome browser downloads are getting stuck at 100%, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear the browser cache and try it again. So open the browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then history once again. Select delete browsing data, change it to all time, click on delete data. The next solution is to disable Chrome virus scan. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings, search for secure here and hit enter. Then click on site settings and then scroll down and you'll find something called as virus scan. Just a minute, we'll search secure browsing once again. Yeah, it's in security. So change it to no protection and then click on turn off. This will turn off the browser scan. The next is that if you have any third-party antivirus, then whitelist it on that. You can contact the virus manufacturer for that. Sorry, antivirus manufacturer for that. And the next solution is to download the file in the incognito mode. How do we open the incognito mode? Click on these three dots here and then select the incognito mode, and you can open that link in this incognito mode and download it once again. Then the next solution is to reset Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side, select restore settings to their original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.